Hey, what's up, Sami here. So today in this video I will be unboxing the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and I will be using it to compare it with many other phones like Galaxy S22 Ultra, Honor Magic 4 Ultimate, and Vivo X80 Pro. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Well, in this video is just going to be a very simple unboxing, and this is the official edition. To be honest, I was kind of pissed off by Xiaomi. You know, I'm a handsome and beautiful and good-looking guy and did so many videos for Xiaomi for free, but they just didn't appreciate it and didn't even want to give me one free phone. And you know what? I just bought them. Let's just unbox. Yeah, this is the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, the phone. Since we are the first bunch to order their phone, so they gave us this gift box. And in the gift box, it has, alright, the defining moment, the new era. Make friends with all photography creators. Ah, that's the photo. This was taken by Xiaomi 12S Ultra at Vienna, Germany. I'm sorry if I pronounce wrong, my German friend. In 1913, this was where the first Leica prototype, your Leica, took. So it's kind of meaningful. So we have all these badges from Xiaomi, but I seriously doubt I will wear them. So that's the umbrella, and it's automatic. Hey, 12S Ultra. And also we have the coffee mug. Oh, this feels good because this is like metal. The camera lens mug. Take it off. Seems good. I like this one. But they don't have their bag. I really want that bag. There's so many videos, reviews. They have that bag, that cowboy bag that you can put your phone in. Anyway, okay, that's the gift box. A little bit bummer, but it's better than nothing. Alright, Xiaomi 12S Ultra. With the pen, a manual, transparent phone case. Wow, that's the phone. 67 fast charger, Type-C. So premium, it feels so good. Home recording, tune the speaker, Type-C. Alright, so let's just turn on. Alright, now I'm adding the fingerprint. When you touch it, you can feel the vibration. Okay, setup complete. Finally, you are ready to rock. Not bad. Yeah, it's quite fast. Hi. Ooh. Okay, looks like an idiot. Or one thing, when you get this phone, you have to turn on that watermark. So when you turn on, for each photo, you will get a Leica certified. See? Ooh. It records the time and date where you record. Not where, it's where record. It can gives you this kind of information. You see? Well, that's very dangerous, right? What if I hang out with other girls and post one of this to my social media, and my wife says it? Oh, I'm screwed, man. So yeah. But it's cool, right? This photo with this Leica. Seems like you are a master of photography, but maybe you're not. Before I go, I want to make the Antutu Benchmark Test, alright? Oh, by the way, this phone stand is from Ukraine. This brand, you know, the couple days ago, they reached out to me to see if I was interested to test their chargers. And this brand is like their products just basically made by Apple, you know, just with high quality, premium. Even the phone stand makes it good. You can extend it and rotate it to whichever angle, whatever angle you want. A shout out for them. Alright, so that's the Antutu Benchmark. 1 million. Definitely one of the best. Holy smoke! Oh guys, I didn't feel hot at all. Really, I'm not kidding. Let's see the highest temperature. No wonder can you see that is 37.1 degrees Celsius. Wow, it's just so good. Alright, so that's the video. Like I said, I will do numerous camera tests, especially the camera test with other phones, with other top-notch phones. So stay tuned for my later videos. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one.